Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is going on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. So in this video I will show you some more formations and give you my guesses on where the price of Bitcoin will go in the near future. Therefore, if you want to know all these factors, be sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I will tell you what to expect in order to understand exactly where the price of Bitcoin will go. So let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. Here we have formed a resistance line which is marked in white. And already 5 times we tried to break through this resistance line and we didn't succeed. Breaking this resistance line gives us the prospect of a hike to $25,000, our cherished goal. And if you remember, in the previous video I told you that you can open a long position and take $25,000. But so far it hasn't been possible to break through this resistance line, and we have stood on our short-term support line, which was formed on January 23rd, and here it acted either as a support line or as a resistance line with this range, and now it is already acting as a support line. The last time we struggled to get through it was February 2, during the news about the US key rate. So there was an upward growth. We could have gone up to $25,000, but we didn't do it. The price stopped, made a new overhigh. So that's quite good, because this means that we are making a higher high and a lower low. This means that this is a bullish formation, a bullish structure until we break it. We cannot say that this is a bearish trend in the short term and we can go for a correction. In the next part of the video I will show you what are the factors that tell us that we may see a correction in the near future. Support is holding up now, support from $23,379 and $23,320. We are now standing on it. You see, we made a breakthrough with this week. Breaking through this support down gives this prospect of leaving for $22,400, $22,300. And if we break the hourly bullish structure, this gives us reason to believe that this is a breakdown of the structure and we will go for a deeper correction, which I have been waiting for a long time. Now let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. Inside the large green channel, which has been formed for a long time, and the price of Bitcoin continues to go in it, a fairly bearish formation, a rising wedge, has formed here. Most often such wedges make their way down. So let's also take a look at this technical pattern. It's just a rising wedge setup with which you can take a short. The price rises, trades inside the rising wedge, then breaks down, and you must place the stop loss behind the breakout line and enter on the retest. The target in this case is the support line in the range of $21,391 and $20,588. A short trade could look like this right now. Stop you put here, and the goal is something like this. So trade 7 risk-reward ratio. The immediate target is $21,369 for shorts and $20,500. But traders, I remind you that I'm still long on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. I'm not going short and will not counter trade right now. I stay long and I don't recommend you to enter positions yet. But if you want to take this short for a short time, then right now on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange you can do it. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my links, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. So I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your $30,000 bonuses on BYBIT, and all you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit and get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country or you don't want to use it, you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now they have a New Year competition. You can spin the wheel and win a Tesla. You can also win a 1 Bitcoin, an iPhone, and much more. So follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment and get your bonuses. So let's move on to the 4 hour time frame again. yes, we have this pattern here which can go down. So what else speaks for what may be reflected in the fact that we will not continue to grow and not make $25,000 without a correction? This is the RSI that we were talking about. The RSI looks rather bad. Here we have a clear divergence that should work out. This divergence suggests that in general we should go for a correction. Also, we see that now Bitcoin is weak according to the RSI indicator, and there is no strength for growth, and most likely we will see a short-term correction. So that is why I say that it's logical to open a short position now if you don't have a long-term loan like I do, and if this pattern breaks down. The target will be $21,400 and $20,597. Also, traders, you remember we went long here on the news. If someone has it open, then in general you either take half of the profit, but this had to be done yesterday when I released the video, or just put a stop loss at break even. If it happens that the stop loss is trigged, you will lose nothing. It will be a free trade, and a bit we didn't reach the goal here, but for now we're just moving in this channel. If you don't look at the indicators, if you don't look at the technical figures, then these are just movements within the range and nothing more. Also, our Fibonacci grid, which we have been pulling up for several weeks in a row, and it's in favor of a correction. The nearest targets for a correction, for a more global correction, are $20,785 and $19,971. Bitcoin may come there in the near future, and from here you can consider a long position in a fairly safe option. This is an option in which you can put a logical stop loss, and there will be a fairly high percentage of completion of this transaction. If we want to open a long position, not from the current values, then we wait for this correction to 0.5 and to 0.618 levels, open a position, and put a stop loss behind 0.8 levels or even lower. After that, wait for the target. They remain the same with us, 28,491 and $35,384. So what we can see for Bitcoin is part of a global correction to this huge drop, which has been around since April, even more likely since October. By this fall, we must make some kind of correction. If you look at the global time frame, the correction can happen now, and after that, Bitcoin will again plunge into the range in the big accumulation phase. $40,000 to $20,000 will go back and forth, and it can go back and forth, but be prepared for the fact that at least until 2024 it will be a range, possibly with overlay. So far, in the next few months, we can expect Bitcoin to make a correction, and we will see $35,000. Also, traders, let's discuss the negative news. Michael Burry, the famous trader about whom the film The Big Short Deal was made, tweeted the sell word and deleted his account. Burry believes that the market will continue to fall, a recession in the USA is inevitable, and the country will plunge into it. And the rebounds that exist now is still a short-term phenomena, and all global markets are still in a huge downtrend. So we will see if he is right. And also, traders, take a look at the picture of the liquidation. $24,000 took this liquidation. There are no clusters up to $26,000, which may also indicate that in the near future we can carry out a correction of the local growth, which we observed quite recently, and a correction to $20,000 is entirely possible with our Fibonacci strategy. Where will I take my long position to? So what do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. Also, don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.